This is a 284 billion parameter AI model. It's bigger than a stack of graphics cards is built to hold, and is running right now on a laptop with no graphics card at all. That's not a tiny model pretending to be big. It's the real thing, and the reason it works comes down to one idea. Once you see it, you can do this yourself tonight. Start with why this should be impossible. A model this size at full precision is around 568 gigabytes of raw weights. No laptop has that much memory. Even a data center GPU tops out around 80. By every rule you know, this model should not fit on your machine, let alone run without a GPU. So how does it? Here's the first half of the answer. This is a mixture of experts model. 284 billion is the total size, but for any single word it generates, only about 13 billion of those parameters actually fire. The model is split into dozens of expert subnetworks, and a tiny router picks just a few for each token. So the compute you pay for scales with the active 13 billion, not the full 284. A giant brain, but only a small part lights up at a time. But you still have to store all those experts somewhere, because any of them might be needed next. And this is the part everyone gets backwards. Those weights don't go in your GPU's VRAM. They sit in your computer's regular system RAM, memory mapped straight off your SSD, and the CPU reads whichever experts the router asks for. You were never short on the right kind of memory. You just don't need a graphics card to hold it. Second half of the answer, quantization. Full precision stores every weight in 16 bits. Shrink each weight down to 3 or even 2 bits, and that 568 gigabyte model collapses to around 100 gigabytes. And the clever part is dynamic quantization, from tools like Unsloth, which squeezes the unimportant layers hard while protecting the ones that matter, so the model stays sharp instead of turning to mush. Smaller memory, most of the smarts. So let's actually build it, and I'll be honest about what runs on what. Tier 1, the one you'll genuinely use every day, GPT-oss 20B, OpenAI's open model. 21 billion total, 3.6 active, about 13 gigabytes. It fits a normal 16 gig laptop, no GPU. Install ollama, then one line, ollama run GPT-oss 20B, that's it. You're running a real model locally in the time it takes to download. Tier 2, the prestige run DeepSeek V4 Flash, which dropped just yesterday, 284 billion total, 13 active, quantized to 3-bit, it's about 110 gigabytes of RAM, so this one wants a big memory workstation or a maxed out Mac, not a thin and light. But when it runs, you are running a genuine frontier class model on your own hardware, no cloud, no GPU. Tier 3 is the pure flex, Kimi K3, 2.8 trillion parameters. Even crushed to 1 bit, it needs around 590 gigabytes of memory. That's not a laptop, that's a server. And one honest correction you'll see repeated wrong everywhere. The 20 tokens a second number for Kimi is on a data center GPU, not your CPU. On a machine like this, expect it slow. It's a look it runs trophy, not a daily driver. Which brings the catch, because no GPU does not mean a free lunch. No GPU does not mean fast. On a CPU, the big models crawl a handful of tokens a second, sometimes less. No GPU does not mean any laptop. The frontier ones are RAM-hungry monsters, and quantization does cost you a little quality more the harder you squeeze. So be clear-eyed. On the giant models, it runs and it's usable are two very different sentences. But here's the takeaway, and it's genuinely a big deal. You don't need a graphics card to run AI locally, because the memory that matters is RAM, and mixture of experts plus quantization does the rest. The trillion parameter run is a trophy. The one that actually changes your workflow is tier 1. Tonight, install ollama, run GPT-oss 20B, and you've got a private offline AI on hardware you already own. That's cyber creed. Subscribe and go run one.